Hey guys, I was working on my site and then I'm doing this and I said, you know what? I should be videoing this to share with you. So here's a little behind the scenes look. This is the back of my WordPress admin, okay? And these are all the posts. I just added a new post now, add agent chat to your site. And I use a plugin called Yoast, and I actually paid for the premium. And what Yoast does, which is pretty cool, is it gives you an idea of your SEO. And I've been dishing out my blog posts so quickly that I haven't really paid attention to it. So I've been going back to try to fix it and improve it for SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. So you can see over here, so there's two things, SEO and readability. So obviously, you want it to be green. Green is the optimal, right? So what I've been doing, and I just did it in the last two right now, and I'm moving down, I'm editing it and trying to get it as perfect as possible. So let's see here. This is, I'm going to go build a website from scratch. That's a post that I did. Got my Facebook notifications coming up here. Okay, so towards the bottom, actually this one's okay. Readability good, SEO good. So just to give you an idea, towards the bottom of the page, it'll tell you, see, readability, and the second one, WordPress. This is the keyword that I have. So see my focus keyword, and then I have here, see, I went ahead and I added my SEO title, and as you're typing it, it'll start going from red to green, meta description, and here it'll give you some ideas. See, now I'm not perfect, but I'm good enough to hit green. Okay, the slug for this page contains a stop word. Consider removing it. And what the slug is this. So build website from scratch. And most likely the slug, the stop word it's talking about is from. And I'm not going to change it now because I've already published this and I've been, marketing it out there. And if I change it, it's going to break the link. And we don't want to do that. So I'm going to go back to my posts. That's strange. It still says readability orange. So that's flaky. Let's refresh. Because when we went in there, it wasn't orange. It was green, wasn't it? All right, so let's take a look at this other one. Long domain update interview. And it's funny, that's been my best video. So apparently my audience likes the interviews. So, okay, so you can see right here, readability needs improvement and SEO is okay, but we want to shoot for good. We want to shoot for green. So we'll take a look here, and it basically gives us an idea of what's wrong with it, right? Now notice my focus keyword for this was coaching. Okay. So it'll tell you right here, no meta description has been specified, search engines. The focus keyword coaching does not appear in the SEO title. This one and the last one I couldn't get rid of for some reason. It was so weird. So we're going to go edit snippet. Okay. Long domain update. All right. So let's see. And we want to have, so let's say a coach can be, let's say a web coach can be so helpful as you helpful. See how it's orange, right? So it wants you to keep writing. A web coach can be so helpful as Eric will find out during this interview. Okay, great. And then we want description. And we want to try to use coach again because it's going to come back and it's going to tell you, hey, you know, doesn't have coach in here. And we can kind of repeat it. So a web coach can guide you through the process of setting up your website and setting up your website, your lead magnet, and sales funnel to start generating an email list. Okay, so that's pretty good there. Now let's see what else is there. Images are missing attributes. Yeah, see the focus keyword it's not in the URL. I should have thought about that earlier. Let's see what the readability problems are. Text is not subheadings. This has been the big thing that keeps coming up, subheadings. And the first paragraph contains more than recommended. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to update this first because I want those changes to save. Alright, so I had to do a hard cut there because I had a little emergency with a friend. So sorry about that. Let's see where we were. So you can see that SEO title, meta description is a lot better now. Still not getting my, let's see here. Okay, coaching does not appear in the, okay, so let's change this to web coaching. Maybe that will satisfy that need there. Well, change the SEO to good. Now we just have to work on readability, see? Okay, so now we'll go to readability. And there's a couple other things here, but it's not as crucial. Okay, text does not contain a subheading. So now let's go ahead and edit over here to see what we have for subheadings. Okay, so this is basically the title and then a subheading that expects. See, I had a wonderful time. You know what? I want to try something different during our talk. So, starting a blog. So you know what? Let's shit. I can't really. Okay. Actually, we'll put something in here. So we're gonna do this WordPress content. And we're gonna put it right here. Bam. And the reason I'm doing that is so we can say this one, which is a subheading, and we'll say hardest part is starting, which matches with what we're saying here, which is the hardest part is starting. Okay, so go ahead and let me move myself over here. Press save. I'm gonna come back here. We're gonna say update, and oh, now look, see, now we moved. Readability is now okay just from adding that. So let's go back to readability. See, what else can we do? One of the paragraphs contains more than the recommended maximum of 150. Are you sure it belongs in a single paragraph? 23% of the sentence contains a transition word or phrase. Okay, so we need to edit our copy more. And if there's one skill that would be great for blogging, is copywriting. It's the absolute best skill that you could possibly have, especially for marketing. So you're going to take a look at the sentences here, what you are comfortable with, and give you more exposure. Okay. Blogging is about commitment and persistence, in my opinion. You need to commit to a regular schedule of creating and publishing your posts and continue a consistent practice. Regular schedule. I need to work on that. I know, guys. I'm trying to get better. All right, let's give this a save and an update and see if it's enough to get our green on the readability. No, still not enough. Contain a transition word. And then if you don't know what transition word is, you can click on this and it'll send you to a page on Yoast where it'll talk about it. You just read this, so emphasis. Alright, so well, I don't want to keep you guys on here because I'm gonna have to do some real big editing, but the point here is, Yoast, very good plugin to help you with your SEO. Take the time to go through it, improve your writing. It's only gonna make your blog better, unless you can afford to just pay a copywriter to do it, which a lot of people do that, but I don't feel like doing that just yet. And then that's it. That's it for now. I have a lot more videos coming out. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Even if you don't give me a thumbs up, what the hey, right? Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.